Hey everybody, Justin Lindholst with MarineMax. Today I'm standing on board this brand new Azimut S6 sport yacht. We're on this beautiful St. Pete beach in front of the iconic Don Cesar, and I'm going to be giving you a tour on this amazing performance yacht. You're in for a treat. Enjoy. Starting you off on the bow, what's pretty unique on the S line from Azimut is the way they've designed the boat to give us more space in the cabins beneath and to give us that sharp entry when underway. We do have our crew quarter up on the bow, and then we have this enormous bow seating area with sunbathing for 10 guests comfortably. It's really beautiful, and a massive bench seat. So if you are just anchored and lounging out watching the sunset with your friends and family, you've got a great place to socialize and entertain, and super easy to navigate your way around on the beautiful teak flooring. As you can see, nice high stainless steel rails to hold on to, so if it is a little rocky, you got a place to get around. To access your anchor gear, a lot of width when you're walking around these walkways on the S6. We'll make our way further back, and we'll get you on up into the Sport Fly, which is really a unique feature. This boat does feature the flybridge as well as the interior driving station. And what's super amazing is the performance. This boat is powered with the triple IPS 700 Volvo engines, and the performance is incredible. You're gonna cruise at 30 knots, you're gonna top out at 35 knots. I don't believe there's another boat in this category of this size that can quite accomplish that. Well, it doesn't get better than this. I have dolphins jumping on the bow. We've got beautiful sunshine. I mean, look at that view beyond us, and we're sitting on the flybridge of the S6 Sport Fly. So amazing. You got comfortable seating for captain and co-pilot. You got the beautiful iconic Azimut white leather wrapped wheel. All your electronics up here are mirrored down below, so everything you would need down below is up top. Your joystick, your Volvo instruments, and Raymarine electronics. You also do have another big sun pad on the flybridge, so you got 3 sunbathing areas on the boat: the bow, flybridge, and on the rear cockpit. So one of the main benefits that Azimut accomplish, especially on the S6 line, to get the performance that this boat offers you, is having the carbon fiber composite components on this boat. So most of the substructure, the entire aft deck, the swim platform, and a lot of other components are carbon fiber, which obviously reduces weight, stronger integral construction. Right here in the rear cockpit, we've got a beautiful wraparound seating, all with the Betaline upholstery, which is really, really durable. It's an amazing fabric that they've been using for a couple of years, and just easy to maintain and soft to the touch, but extremely durable. Beautiful carbon fiber gray table to match the whole sides of the boat. So if you do want to fold that out and get a dining table back here, you can, or lift that leaf and make it easy to access. We got the massive aft sun pad right there with the built-in headrest on top of the tender garage. Beautiful area to hang out if you're just anchored out at the sandbar. There is a shade which you press a button and that will auto deploy. If you do want to have the aft sunbed under shade, you can. Touch of the button if you want to access your dinghy. You press a button, that tender garage will lift up, and we have our Williams jet dinghy, which is just under 11 feet long, tucked away in the garage. We do have our submersible swim platform, which once again, touch a button, platform can go down in the water, and that can host a jet ski as well. So as we enter this beautiful salon, one thing you'll notice is all the windows. The amount of visibility that you have, 360 degree, also with your sunroof open right there, it's just absolutely beautiful. The seating that Azimut offer with the plush leather upholstery is so comfortable, goes all the way down, gives you a lot of support. Beautiful high gloss coffee table, or if you do want to access the dining mode, that would flip over and slide across if needed. Press of a button, table can go up and down. So all the little features they have, really well thought out. Entering the galley, we do have a little center island in the U-shaped galley with our induction Miele cooktop and appliances. Very easy to access our electronics distribution panel beneath this panel right there, and tons of storage and place for your cutlery and all your components you would want in the salon area. A lot of headroom. Making our way to the helm, take a peek at this sport helm. This looks like you're sitting in a racing car. These seats, the driver's seat can go up and down, forward and back. You're stepping on into the helm. We do have two nice big 16-inch Raymarine screens, and then all your instruments. You would run everything you need to run on the boat from these screens, your air conditioning, all your pumps, everything you need right there. I was just pressing that seat and you'll see how it moves back and forwards with a touch of the button. We do have our Volvo joystick piloting, so if we do want to maneuver the boat integrated with the bow thruster, simply turn the joystick, our bow would swing over, or if you want to move the boat left and right, you just do that with a joystick. Super easy to operate, owner operator, very, very easy to get around the dock and in and out of those tight areas. We do feature a Seakeeper 9, which I just activated. You'll notice the roll has really disappeared on us, so super stable to have the Seakeeper on board, which is an absolute must when you're entering this category of yachts. Our cabins are featured just beyond these stairs. We do have 3 cabins with 2 heads. Our owner's suite, really sophisticated, well laid out owner's suite. A lot of room there because of the IPS drives. They've moved those engines further back, so that gives us a lot of room in the master cabin. Beautiful amount of light coming through those big windows, and then just a gorgeous ensuite bathroom for the owner's cabin. Our VIP guest cabin would be all the way forward. Once again, tons of room, a lot of headroom, and we do have a double bunk to the starboard as well, twin bunk cabin. I hope you enjoyed this brief walkthrough on the Azimut S6 Sportfly here at MarineMax